Tired of dull, tired-looking skin? What if I told you that you can get glowing, clear, and radiant skin in just 7 days using simple ingredients from your kitchen? In today's video, I'll show you 5 powerful natural remedies that work for all skin types, no chemicals, no expensive products. Let's get started. Step 1 is deep natural cleansing. Mix 1 teaspoon of raw honey with a few drops of lemon juice. Gently massage this mixture onto your face for 1 minute and rinse with lukewarm water. Honey removes dirt and nourishes the skin, while lemon helps brighten and even out the complexion. Step 2 is exfoliation to remove dead skin cells. Mix 1 tablespoon of rice flour with rose water to make a paste. Gently scrub your face for 1-2 minutes in circular motions, then rinse. This simple scrub instantly makes your skin smoother and brighter. Step 3 is a hydrating and brightening mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of yogurt with a pinch of turmeric. Apply it evenly to your face and leave it on for 10 minutes. Yogurt moisturizes and calms the skin, while turmeric reduces inflammation and adds a natural glow. Step 4 is toning. Spray or dab rose water gently all over your face. Rose water balances the skin's pH and tightens pores naturally, leaving your skin refreshed. Step 5 is moisturizing and protecting your skin. Use a light, natural moisturizer like aloe vera gel or almond oil. And never skip sunscreen. During the day, this is the secret to preventing dullness and pigmentation. For best results, follow this routine daily for 7 days. Also, drink plenty of water, get 7 to 8 hours of sleep, avoid harsh soaps, include fruits and vegetables in your diet. Remember, glowing skin starts from the inside out. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who wants glowing skin, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty and wellness tips, especially for viewers in the UK and US.